Christine G, and I am going to be going over some of these binomial distribution problems from the homework problem number 8. So um, there, there is this homework help, and what I recommend doing is you can read through this, but you're given this formula to automatically do these calculations because they can get kind of tricky and very labor intensive. So um, this will help. This is not just simple probability, and I'm going to be going over, let me see, um, the problem that I have, which let's look at B. So this is Noodles and Company restaurant. The probability that a customer will order a non-alcoholic beverage is 0.34. So find the probability that a sample of 9 customers, at least 6, will order a non-alcoholic beverage. So what we need to do is go ahead and calculate that out by looking at this formula that I just copied. I'm going to paste it in here, and I'll paste it in here. Okay, we're going to be using that, but let's talk about this first. The probability that a sample of 9 customers, at least 6. So that would mean 6, 7, 8, and 9, because there are 9 total orders. 6, 7, 8, and 9. We want that probability, but it's easier to get it by just saying, okay, 5 or less. We can do it that way. 5 or less, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Calculate that probability, and the total of all probabilities add up to 1. So what we can do is say, okay, 1 minus this, because here we're going to calculate the opposite, or what is not. We're going to calculate the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and leave off the 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we do that by saying, okay, 1 minus the probability that the complement. So here, an x, it would be, instead of the 6 or more, at least 6, we're going to go with 5, because 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. So we're doing a cumulative, so we're going to use 1 in this formula for the cumulative. So it's going to sum up all of those, the probability of 0 non-alcoholic beverages, probability that 1 was ordered, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we're going to subtract that from the total probability, which is 1, and get the complement, so at least 6. So here there are 9 people being sampled, and then our probability is 0.34. So we substitute those in, and then we get 0.04666 repeating, and that looks like what the answer is. So they just rounded it to 0.0467. So that looks good. And then for this one, find the probability that in the sample of 9 customers, fewer than 7. So fewer than 7 would not include 7. So we want 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can add those all up by just having the, let's go ahead and put that. I'm just going to put the formula in again, and I just got that out of the homework help, so it's easy for you to access. It's underneath homework problem number 8, and I just copied this and pasted it in here. And then we want fewer than 7, so that would be 6 or less. So we put the 6 in there out of 9 trials, and then the probability is the same because it's 0.34, but the customer orders a non alcoholic beverage, and then it's cumulative. So we're going to accumulate all the properties, all the probabilities from 0 through 6. So, and then we get 0.9906 and some change, and that's the answer. So hope that makes sense. Feel free to reach out. I know this was a short, quick video on the calculation, so I'm happy to help. Thanks. Bye.